สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone Tiger Gift and
Foreigner Joe, hope all is well. How are we doing? Today we are doing okay. We haven't had air conditioner for 2 nights now.
yes
Tonight will be the third night. Unfortunately, the AC in this cottage here is a little old, so there's no replacement part, so they have to put in a different AC. I believe tomorrow they're going to put it in, right? So we spent 2 nights in a hotel down the street. Tonight will be the third night. My back is hurting. I'm not used to the bed in that room. Hello, JJ.
Good morning.
Good morning. This building takes some work, that's for sure.
นี่ไม่รู้เพียงว่า
เบื้องในห้องนอนเกสอันที่หนึ่งอ่ะ
แล้วสี่เราขยับอีกแล้ว
ผมได้ไหม
Finishing the Thailand in this one bathroom. Now JJ says the pool people will be out here on the 12th. The 12th to start the pool,
to start the stone border
the border, and then they're going to spend what, 10 days here?
around 10 days. Free.
3 coats of paint.
First coat antibacterial.
Okay.
And second one is real color. We do it twice.
Okay. Looks like Mr. Duke added a little. He added the refrigerator to the 3D design here. Here's the AC, and just a wall. Here's some shelving. Gourmet island, a window. I believe this is the stove and a hood, the range hood. And then we have the oven here. You'll have the microwave here, some shelving, and next to it. So Gift and I are here at one of our favorites, having bowls of noodles, some pork balls. I know that sounds funny. Yeah, they finally replaced the AC today, the air conditioning unit in our cottage. They didn't replace it with a new one. Actually, they put a refurbished air conditioner in. But up to them. We'll be moving hopefully soon. It's working fine. After 3 nights staying down the street where we normally stayed when we were visiting here before, in a hotel down the street. Normally she charges 300, normally she charges 500 baht a night. But she was kind to us. She only charges 400 baht a night, and we spent 3 nights there. So what's that? 1,200? Yeah, 1,200 baht. US dollars right here. Yeah, not a whole lot going on. The situation in Thailand currently, I'm sure you hear all over the news and everything. We don't get involved with that. We just try to live our life and not think about it too much. But we are going to eat our lunch, and then we are going to head over to the house, do a little house update. We weren't planning on doing a house update, but again, like I said, it's loud out here. Hope you can hear me. Like I said, not a whole lot going on. So we did some recording earlier, but we figured we'd come out and record again when most of the workers are gone. There's still a few people out here, but most of them are gone. They pulled the front gate off because they're working on that area. I do have some footage with the front gate on, I believe. I'll show you that. Okay, so as you can see, they're working on a gate. Still some work to be done. Actually, a lot of work to be done on the gate, but they're getting it taken care of.
เอาทีเดียว2 อันหรือเปล่า
It's going to look completely different once it's completed, but just to show you.
ไหว
Okay. And I painted this side of the wall here. They put the first coat of paint on. They'll paint it again. They did the same on the other side of the wall already. So, what do you think, Gift? Nice? They're installing the door frames and windows. The glass itself will be delivered, I guess, tomorrow or the next day. It's supposed to be done by the end of this week. Today being Friday today?
Today, Thursday.
Today's Thursday. Now this will be 3 tones, 3 different types of gray. Dark gray, middle gray, light gray, I believe. When it's all said and done. Sounds like the guy is still in here doing the tiling of the bathroom. That's what it sounds like. We'll see. I'm getting used to these different noises, knowing what's going on. They actually put the front rail in here as well. They'll put a little bench, marble bench right here, 3 meters long. So let's go see what's going on in the inside. Yeah, they've already painted the first coat on the eaves as well. And also the primer. The white is all the primer, I guess. Or what JJ says, the antibacteria primer. It's supposed to have something in it to protect from the environment, the humidity and everything. So they still have some tiling to do on this side, but as you can see, they've doing a pretty good job with the steps, the front porch going up. Here, yeah, this is just the door frames themselves going into the guest bedrooms and into the main entrance. Boy, it's not too dark in here. It's about 6 p.m., so it's getting a little dark out. They put the primer on these walls and ceilings already. So now they'll do 2 coats of paint. Yeah, that's what I thought. The gentleman's still working on the tiling. He's working a little late. In this 1 bathroom. And they are still working on a built-in kitchen, but it looks like they're almost ready to start with the granite and the cabinets and everything, if I'm not mistaken. Can you turn the lights on in here, please, so I could see? Can you turn the lights on? Gift was looking too. She was ready to. Funny. A frame for the window by the sink. What are you doing, silly? Cooking?
You cook.
Gift is getting excited. Okay, they have a frame on this window as well. They still have to do this sliding glass door going out to the pool area. No glass, not yet. Yeah, they're working on it. Oh, they even have some of the paint done here in the back as well. Then they have the primer on the eaves. The frame in the master bedroom also. Yep. Good. They've just about finished tiling the walk-in closet. They'll still have to do the bathroom in here, shower. Sorry, the lighting is bad. And then they've done a window frame in here as well for the walk-in closet. It is starting to come together. JJ still says by the 30th of July, we will be able to start moving in. We will see. As long as they do a quality job, that's what matters. I mean, of course, we want to get in here. We've been waiting patiently, but we definitely want a quality job as well. So, But JJ says there will be a lot of people out here in the next few days doing multiple things, getting the house ready for us to move in. We'll see. Oops, I gotta watch my head. Yeah, they've put that first coat of paint on. What do you think, Gift? You think it'll be ready by the end of the month?
I hope, but a lot of work.
A lot of work still yet. Oh yeah, they've got this side as well. Alrighty. Yeah, this is going to be a short one today. We're going to go home. We had a late lunch again, so probably no dinner tonight.
ขอบคุณค่ะ Thank you so much for watching our video. Love you all. Bye bye ค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ